Hey guys, it's Katie. I'm just here at Shoes of Hollywood and today I'm going to be showing you these absolutely stunning shoes. They are pleasers and these ones are called Flamingo. So they are Flamingo-808SS and so I'll just grab them out of the box. They are a pair of platforms. As you can tell, these shoes always come wrapped beautifully. So they're in always great condition. I'm a bit of a glitter queen, so these are definitely a pair of my favourite. These are an 8-inch platform shoes. And these are called Flamingo. Absolutely stunning. So they have the clear band around here to put into your shoes. I mean to put on your feet, so sorry about that. And so I'll just put this one on. Slip it on really nicely. And see, these are a size 6 also. Wonderful fit. And so these are an absolutely stunning pair to have. Just in the cupboard, just to know you always got them, girls. I actually have quite a fair few pair of pleasers myself in the platforms. Even just to have at home because I'm a bit of a shoe lover. I could definitely dress these up so nicely. And they are an 8-inch, girls, so could definitely get them smaller if you're not so sure about the height on them. Oh, so comfy, I love them. Could definitely have a little bit of a boogie in these shoes, that's for sure. Oh, I'm dying to see what these look like in the light. So we'll take you outside, show you what they look like in the sun, guys. And thank you so much for watching our videos. If you want to press that bell in the corner there, you will be notified every time we post. Wow, look at them in the sun. Aren't they glittery? Really easy to walk in as well, girls, because they are platforms. I feel like a queen in these. Here comes the car, checking out. Guy driving that car will have to get his girlfriend a pair of these ones. These ones actually remind me of mermaid shoes. They're just so beautiful. Really easy to strut in these, girls, on a night out. Have a boogie with the girls. Or the boys, either one. Give you another look on this angle, guys, just so you can see the detail of that shoe. Please, if you love these videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for Shoes of Hollywood, and do remember to give us a big like and press that notification button. Thanks guys, bye!